a pig pen full of puppies. Hi, guys. Hi. I know. Here's Mr. Hand. Say hi, Mr. Hand. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. You're being shy. You're being shy. Oh, look at that one. Uh-huh.
She's pretty, isn't she? Red.
Yeah. Hi, Red.
Hey, Red. Hey, Red. What?
Red.
Hey, you guys. Blue. Stocky little girl. And there's Lavender. Little Lavender.
Wagging her tail.
Yeah. Hi, honey. How you doing, honey? How you doing, sweetie? You little girls. Here's my two little pretty
Okie
girls.
dokie.